Who else battles with allergies? For anyone who doesn't have allergies, when you're nasal, like your sinuses get clogged and your eyes get watery and your head feels drowsy, it can be very difficult to stay focused. Some days it just randomly strikes. That was a lovely lunch, but the weather cleared up, so now I'm outside making the most of it. Hey, buddy. Mia, come here, come say hi. Feels good. Come outside. I've really been learning in life to remain calm no matter what internal, emotional experience I may be having at any moment. A moment like that, for example, where I try to talk to the camera and the dog starts barking. All I can do is breathe through it and remain calm, because that feels a lot better than allowing myself to get angry and frustrated over the little things. I love you.